Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, AK-203 rifles currently under manufacturing and testing stage. Kalashnikov AK-203 rifles for Indian armed forces are currently under manufacturing and testing stage at an Indo-Russian joint venture at Korba in Uttar Pradesh, the government said on Monday. Minister of State for Defence Ajay Bhatt, in a written reply to a question in Rajya Sabha, said the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited has established all facilities to commence production of the indigenized assault rifles. Next, Russia remains India's main arms supplier, but imports dip sharply. Russia remains India's main source of weapons even as the nation has drastically trimmed purchases, highlighting the challenge for Prime Minister Narendra Modi of recalibrating New Delhi's dependence on Moscow while its borders with both China and Pakistan remain tense. Russian weapon imports dropped by 19% for the 5-year period starting 2018 compared to a similar time frame earlier, according to a report from the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. Next, government sets target of achieving defense manufacturing worth rupees 1.75 lakh crore by 2024-25. Government on Monday said it has set a target of achieving defense manufacturing worth rupees 1,75,000 crore, including defense exports of rupees 35,000 crore by 2024-25. Minister of State for Defence Ajay Bhatt, replying to a question in Rajya Sabha, said the value of production undertaken by private companies and state-run defence manufacture in 2021-22 was rupees 86,078 crore, while the amount was rupees 88,631 crore in 2020-21 and rupees 63,722 crore in 2019 and 20. Next, navies of India, Australia, Japan, US, France and UK to participate in exercise La Perouse. Personnel, ships and integral helicopters of the Royal Australian Navy, French Navy, Indian Navy, Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force, Royal Navy and United States Navy will participate in exercise La Perouse, the third edition of the Multilateral exercise. La Perouse will be conducted in the Indian Ocean region from March 13 to 14th. Next, J&K police attaches House of Men involved in militant activities. State Investigation Unit SIU of the J&K police on Monday attached the house of a man involved in militant activities in Anantnag district. According to the sources, the house of Muhammad Ishaq Malik, son of Muhammad Saifullah Malik, and a resident of Danvithpora, Kokarnag in Anantnag district was attached under Section 25 of Unlawful Activities Act for his involvement in militant activities. Next, FICV bids closed. IA makes it mandatory to own the design. In June 2021, the Indian Army issued a request for information on the planned procurement of 1750 units of indigenously developed amphibious tracked FICVs, and vendors who did not respond to the June 2021 RFI were given till 1st March 2023 deadline to express an interest. The Indian Army announced on December 22, 2022 that an acceptance of necessity had been granted for the procurement of new futuristic infantry combat vehicles, confirming that prototype trials after completion of TEC will begin in 36 months, and L1 and L2 vendors will receive a 60-40 split order quality for manufacturing of 1750 units. Next, BrahMos Aerospace lines up more tests of BrahMos ER with an 800-kilometer range. Indian Armed Forces have commenced taking deliveries of BrahMos with an enhanced range of 450 km from the previous range of 290 km, but BrahMos Aerospace already has commenced testing of the BrahMos ER. ER means extended range. That will have a range of 800 km and has plans for more tests. BrahMos Aerospace has lined up more testing of the BrahMos ER this year, as the variant has a considerably upgrade and higher levels of indigenization to the missile technology than the BrahMos Enhanced, with has a 450 km range. Next, Philippines considering equipping BrahMos on its frigates. Philippines Navy is considering arming India's BrahMos cruise missile on its guided missile frigate that it had procured from South Korea after the Philippine Marine Corps ordered 3 coastal batteries of the BrahMos cruise missile in 2022 to provide counter-attack capabilities within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Is set to take deliveries soon. PMC is eagerly waiting for the deliveries to commence from India after Philippine Marine Corps Coastal Defense Regiment personnel completed training to operate BrahMos coastal cruise missiles last month, which was caught the attention of the PN that is considering equipping a ship-launched variant of its warships. Next, work on indigenous marine engines underway the warships. Chief of the Naval Staff Admiral R. Hari Kumar, speaking to the media, has confirmed that Indian Navy has taken the program to develop locally diesel marine engines for warships and other associates ship to replace imported diesel engines, and is confident that the first engine will be ready in 4 years. Next, Defence Ministry inks rupees 934 crore contract for normal refit of Sindhu Kriti submarine at Hindustan Shipyard. In another boost to achieve Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Ministry of Defence on Monday signed a contract for normal refit of Sindhu Kriti submarine at Hindustan Shipyard Limited HSL, Vishakhapatnam, at an overall cost of rupees 934 crore. Sindhu Kriti is the third kilo class diesel electric submarine. After completion of the refit, Sindhu Kriti will be combat worthy and will join the active submarine fleet of the Indian Navy. Thank you.